Forged at Norfolk Naval Shipyard and weighing over 60,000 pounds, this is one of two mammoth anchors that once graced the bow of the supercarrier, the USS Kitty Hawk. Commissioned in 1961, the USS Kitty Hawk was equipped with 4.5 acres of flight deck and room for up to 80 jets. She operated as a floating home for more than 5,000 officers and crew on each voyage. The ship saw service in the Vietnam War and supported the global war on terrorism before the Navy decommissioned her in 2009. In 2024, International Shipbreaking Incorporated gifted this anchor to the Air Zoo with contributions from the USS Kitty Hawk Veterans Association. By displaying this storied anchor, the Air Zoo is proud to help represent and shine a light on the history and significance of the USS Kitty Hawk. Moving, restoring, and displaying this massive anchor wasn't cheap. So, if you want to donate, you can do so at airzoo.org/anchor. Donors of $100 or more will be recognized on site and online. Thank you for your support.